Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuliso wakho. Ngicela ngikhohle ukulike and subscribe. Coach Kaizer Chiefs bafethu uBen Yusuf khulume ngendaba yama-penalty-ke laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Uthi last season uLilepo ukora ama-penalty awu-3, uSirino ukwazile ukukora laphana ku-final Nedbank Cup. Uthi uyazi ukuthi ama-penalty 50% chance. Also and you have to say congratulations to ukhipha laphana wamaZulu osave i-penalty laphana overall. I mean khona i-statement engifuna ukuwuphikisa ukuthi penalty akusiyo 50% chance. Umuntu oshaya i-penalty ku-advantage compared to goalkeeper. Washaya ishot eceleni eli-straight eliyepalini, ugoalkeeper angeke alibambe, so akusiyo 50% chance. Ama-players we-Kaizer Chiefs kumele abonise i-composure. You can't miss noma ngithi ukugeja ama-penalties angaka bafowethu. You have to ushaya ngeshot mfethu, uma ugejile-ke siyavuma, but-ke wapika isport olishaya ngeshot akekho ukhiphe emhlabeni ozolibamba lelo bhola. So ubaleka from ukuthi ama-players wakhe kumele athathe i-responsibility. There's no 50% chance laphana ukuthi ukore i-penalty. I-penalty nje umuntu olikhahlelayo uyo ne-chance. Ukuthi bona bayathuka bayatatazela, akasho ukuthi ama-penalty ayabahlula nanokuthi i-pressure yokudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs i-too much for amanye ama-players, so kunzima ukuthi bayihandle leyo pressure leyo. Angasho ukuthi i-penalty 50% chance, no ways, ngiyayiphika-ke leyo. But asingeneni kuyo lento lena yama-penalty overs ne-fine margin. Mentality yokuthi ama-players, why ku-important ukuthi kube ama-players a-strong athatha ama-penalty. Khona ama-player angaligeji i-penalty at all noma kanjani. Why? Because lento leyo yokuthi babukele i-European football bachiphane nebhola or balishaye bayiliplace, no. In most cases ebholeni lase-Africa I remember ama-penalty against Nigeria neBafana Bafana. Nigeria zange idlale, beshaya ama-shot. Why? Because they understand ukuthi waphika i-sport noma choose iside lakho ozoshayela kulo, walishaya nge-power behind the ball. In most cases kuba yi-goal leyo nto leyo. So I mean ama-excuse awasizi ngalutho. I mean masibheka obviously ama-penalty at times are complicated. Mawubheka one step back, one kick, one chance ngempela ukuthi ube yi-hero or abantu bakujikela isikhathi esiningi. So i-Kaizer Chiefs in recent games baya-struggle ngama-penalties, baya-struggle nge-composure ukuthi bashaye amagoli. I mean this reflects to i-bigger issue ye-pressure laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, nanokuthi amanye ama-player or ama-player amaningi awekho strong enough ukuthi abe decisive for i-Kaizer Chiefs, because yiwo ama-moments lawa bafethu amancane ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs kumele iziveze as ama-contenders wama-titles. Yizo lezi zinto lezi ey'ncane. Uma ubheka kwamanye ama-team, when they get those opportunities ba-make sure ukuthi bayawavalela. Why? Because they want to win the trophies. Izinto ey'ncane njengoba eziwinisa ama-trophy. I mean ukungatholi i-3 points, ukudropha ama-3 points against ama-team amancane akusizi. Ukuwumisela kuphela modlala nama-team amakhulu akusizi, because you need to beat lama-team amancane noma ungaluza kulawa amakhulu, because nawo azodropha ama-points. Already for example Orlando Pirates, they've dropped ama-points ayi-2. They dropped first 2 games, but because mentally they are strong, they had to come back. But yeah, I mean today, I mean maybe ngithi kule clip le asingeneni kuyo bafethu singayikhi phezulu overall. Masibheka ama-comments kaBen Yusuf lokuthi uLilepo last season ukore ama-penalties awu-3, akusiyo excuse leyo bafethu. I mean you have to score ama-penalties manje, indaba yalast season yakho ayicount, because uLilepo masibheka unalo i-shot yokuthi play power behind the ball, but there was no power behind the ball. That is why penalty lakhe balisave lula laphana. History yakho ebholeni doesn't matter. That is why udlala ama-game every week. Ukuthi wenzani 2014, 2015, 2024, 2025 manje, you have to deliver immediately. So I mean singasho ukuthi ilokhu njani ama-penalty part of inhlanhla, but akusiyo inhlanhla i-penalty. You have to choose iside, ushaye ngeshot powerful, ushaye nje kahle ibhola. Akusiyo inhlanhla, well press ball, power behind the ball, that's a goal. Yeah, I mean uthi congratulations to keeper ngokubamba i-penalty. That was not a good penalty. If ubambe i-penalty eli-good siya-congratulate ama-keeper, but you don't have to hide behind ukuthi usave i-penalty overall. Akhona ama-good penalty takers, but ku-Kaizer Chiefs abanawo ama-good penalty takers, because wonke umuntu o-stepper up une-history yakhe yokugeja. Miguel was the one, kwatshentsha kwaba ubani, kwaba uSirino, but naye wageja, usekageja ama-penalty ambalwa. lilepo red nayisegeja i-penalty. So it's very complicated laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. I don't know if like ama-struggles yokuthi abanayo inhlanhla or maybe i-mindset yabo or maybe under pressure. They know ukuthi abantu baya-react online. I mean, it speaks to you about like psychology of lokhu njani ama-penalty overall ne-spotlight laphana. Stadium, I mean, you are just one man versus a goalkeeper, but the pressure of playing for Kaizer Chiefs, you understand ukuthi kunabantu millions of people ababhekile laphana ekhaya. Ama-penalty ayagejeka, no-Messi uyageja i-penalty, but it's very rare uRonaldo simbona nini uCristiano Ronaldo noma kuthiwa ne-bad game, but once wathola i-penalty uya-understand ukuthi i-opportunity enkulu ukuthi yena akore. Yeah, I mean, Kaizer Chiefs i-struggle sabo abanawo umuntu o-natural ukuthi uzobathathela ama-penalty, umuntu oyi-one abamdecide-ile. Why? Because why would you have abantu abangaka in the space of couple of months aba-different abathatha ama-penalty overall? So I mean, njengoba bengibabalile bafowethu abantu abangaka, so sikhuluma ngabantu abayi-5 already, couple of months yibo aba-design ukuthi abathatha ama-penalty. This speaks to i-pressure ukuthi even those people abanayo i-leader ngempela, umuntu ozobamela ukuthi uzowathatha la ma-penalty lawa, kubonakala ukuthi uyawashaya or uyawageja. I mean, Sirino, he was supposed to be one of the leaders e-Kaizer Chiefs. Naye power behind the ball, lile power behind the ball, lile phela azi ibhola siyazi, but kunama-moments la makawathola, you have to bury those opportunities. Yeah, ziyakhala laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. They are feeling the pressure yokudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs, and mentally lento le bengikhuluma ngayo yakaThabo Cele bafowethu, ukuthi mentally you gotta be strong. Without being strong mentally, you'll never make it in terms of playing for the big teams and contributing kakhulu, because without the mental strength of you as a player ukuthi ube strong, you'll never amount to anything. Maningi, I mean, ama-fans already manje aya-complain ukuthi khona ama-player aza ku-Kaizer Chiefs just ukuthi nje adume nje kuphela, but-ke in terms of like contributing for Kaizer Chiefs, ama-performances wabo aphuwa. Well, ngeke sisho ukuthi wonke ama-performances wabo aphuwa, but mentally you have to be strong and be willing to give everything for the team. That's what is expected from ama-players amaningi laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but-ke they've let themselves down and they've let ama-fans down in terms of like uku-contributor overall laphana eteamini. But same good, they'll keep learning and possibly getting better and greater kuzinto abazenzayo laphana egroundini. But yeah, they need to take those opportunities abawatholayo. They really need to step up, benze izinto zenzeke, because millions njalo babukele. Thank you bafowethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe.